Tax authorities must verify facts before cancelling GST registration. Recent ruling clarifies that closed premises do not necessarily mean non-existent business. Authorities must conduct proper verification of facts and evidence before cancelling GST registration. A temporary closure or inaccessible premises during an inspection does not necessarily mean a non-existent business. Taxpayers are entitled to a fair hearing before their GST registration can be cancelled. Closed premises does not mean a non-existent business. Authorities must consider facts and evidence. Unspecified court or legal representative. A recent ruling has clarified the criteria for cancelling goods and services tax (GST) registration in India. The ruling emphasizes that authorities must verify facts and consider evidence before cancelling GST registration. This means that a business may still be considered operational even if its premises are temporarily closed or inaccessible during an inspection. The court's decision stems from a situation where a taxpayer's GST registration was cancelled due to the business premises being found closed during an inspection. The ruling holds that simply finding a business premise closed does not necessarily mean that the business is non-existent and therefore not entitled to GST registration. Should taxpayers have the right to a fair hearing before their GST registration is cancelled? Tell us in the comments yes or no. Here's what this means for you. If your business is temporarily closed or inaccessible during an inspection, ensure that you have all necessary records and evidence to support its existence. Save this video. Follow Legal Output on Instagram for legal updates.